think it was Eleanor Roosevelt who famously said something to the effect of, weak people talk about people. Big people, people like you and I, we talk about ideas. So one of my most important intentions for 2024, get this, no drama. No drama. Now sure, I can watch a little Netflix, I can watch a little HBO, maybe even go to a movie, but I don't want any other drama. I want peace and I want focus. I think it was Eleanor Roosevelt who famously said something to the effect of, weak people talk about people. Big people, people like you and I, we talk about ideas. In my second book, Life by Design, I talked about how so many people suffer from the addiction to drama. Like they will search for drama, but I want you to consider this. Those energy-sucking vampires that are always searching for drama, those aren't people that are working with passion and purpose. They're actually looking for a distraction. So have empathy for them. I really do. I have compassion for them. I just don't want to spend any time with them. I don't want them in my circle. You with me? I want them out there doing their drama someplace else. So maybe, just maybe, as you're listening to this message, I don't know if I'm talking to you, or maybe you're thinking about someone that you know and you love, that man, if they just took a year of drama off, how extraordinary could their life be? And isn't that the goal?